Hey guys, what's going on? I want to make a super quick video, so actually I'm probably really short, just to discuss our webhook URLs and how they work. So the webhook URL is what we actually send to communicate with the bot. All right, so if I want to open a signal, I want to make sure I use my open signal URL. Okay, so as you see here, you'll see like, cryptofusionbot.com API open, right? That's what you really want to make sure is correct, okay? Because if I come into TradingView and I want to set up an actual alert in TradingView, I want to make sure I send it to the open webhook URL if I'm trying to open a strategy. If I want to go long or short and I want to tell the bot how to trade, right? So the other type is close, okay? So let's say I use TradingView to open a signal, right? And then I want to close the signal on a different signal, right? I open it on a green dot, I close it on a red dot. Well, if I set the red dot up to close the signal, then I need to build a closing script, which can be done under strategies. And then from there, I can apply the close signal. But that alert, we need to talk to the actual close signal webhook URL. So as you see right here, it's actually the exact same webhook, except for it says close right here, okay? So that'll be really important. You'll get an error if you try to send an open to a close or a close to an open. So the other one would be a confirmation. Let's say I wanted to add a confirmation to make sure I see a divergence or money flow or EMA or whatever. I want to make sure that I'm using the indicators URL. Okay, so I come in here and I could take the confirmation webhook URL. I just want to make sure it says indicators. So yet again, you'll get an error if you try to send an open to an indicator and an indicator to an open. But these are the three types of webhook URLs that we use to communicate with our bot, rather what we want to do. So if we want to open a signal, this is it. If we want to take that same signal and close it, this is the correct URL. And then also the confirmation one as well. Just make sure it says indicators. I mean, everything else will be the same. If you're talking to the same bot, the API here will be the same. Right? But what's going to be different is right here in the URL. So when I go into TradingView and I check my alerts, right? I want to make sure it says signal, or if I'm going to open a signal, or if I'm going to close, then I need to make sure this says close. If I'm doing like, a webhook URL for a confirmation, I want to make sure that it says indicators right here. Okay, guys, cool. I hope that helps out, and just hit us up in the Discord if you got any questions.